Okay guys, so welcome back to my channel and sana napanood nyo yung last video ko about my unboxing and review and how to reset or pair your um, GT1 Pro of Halo. But today we're gonna unbox Nintendo Switch version 2. Okay, so ngayon, tignan natin kung ano ba yung mga laman ng package na to. And nabili ko lang to kanina sa Data Blitz. Shout out to Data Blitz. Okay, so now let's check kung ano ba yung mga nasa loob ng box. Okay, so sa una, pagbukas nyo ng box, may makikita kayong instruction on how to set it up. Okay, so basahin nyo lang dyan. And by the way, yung una, merong version 1 nitong Nintendo Switch. And kung mapapansin nyo sa box, walang nakalagay na kung version 2 ba siya or version 1. So, ang difference sa box nito is parang iba yung design. So, papakita ko yung picture nung version 1 para hindi kayo malito kung gusto nyong bumili ng version 2 ng Switch. Okay? Okay, so ngayon, tignan natin kung ano ba yung nasa loob ng box. So, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit. Okay. So, ayan. So, pag binuksan nyo, uh, unang-una makikita nyo yung dalawang parang, hindi ko alam tawag yung joystick ba, joypad, or whatever. And then, yung mismong um, console. Okay. So, nakalagay siya sa plastic. Parang compact yung plastic. So, slip lang siyang ganyan. Okay. So, this is the physical um, tsura nung console mismo. Okay. And of course, meron siyang dalawang ganito, naka-plastic din. Ayan, naka-plastic din. Umiilaw pa kasi tinest kanina ng Data Blitz. Okay. So, pagmuna natin siya dito. And ano pa ba yung mga kasama ng box? Okay. So, of course, meron siyang customer service, ano ba to? Information, contacts, hindi mawawala yung mga ganito. And what's this? Important information. And ayan, meron siyang parang strap. Just in case na gusto nyong gamitin ito na para dun sa mga games na requires movement, no? Like yung mga exercise, ganyan, mga laro-laro. So, pwede nyo siyang gamitin, kabit dito, and then you have to slip this to your arm, and then you can lock it up. Okay? Strap. They got two straps. What else? Of course, they have HDMI cable. Para just in case you want to connect this to your television, pwede nyo siyang i-connect. Okay? And of course, charger. No, so meron siyang charger. And yung charger na to, I think this is Type C. No, Type C na USB cable. Okay. So 220 naman to, so safe. Okay, input 100 to 240 volts. Okay, so safe siya gamit din sa Pilipinas, hindi nasabog. And then, ano pa ba? Of course, meron siyang ganito. So just in case nakakonect yung console nyo sa TV, and you want to play like a normal console, so you can put this thing right here like this. Alright, you can hear a snip just to make sure na secure yung inyong gadget. Okay, there you go. So it goes like this. Alright, and what else? Alright, so meron din siyang kasamang dock. Okay, so itong dock, magagamit nyo siya pag gusto nyong i-connect sa inyong TV. Okay, so meron siyang, ayan, yung parang port for your Type C or yung sa ilalim ng mismong console. Ayan, meron siya. So, make sure na nakatapat siya doon. And sa likod, alam ko meron dito mga saksakan ng cables. Ayan. Right there. USB, AC adapter, and we have yung HDMI output. So, dyan lang connect yung mga cables connected to your television. Okay. So, ngayon, try nating i-on itong Nintendo Switch. Okay, so first we have to connect yung controller. Okay, so they got a power button on top left corner. Alright. So, yung screen niya is sabi medyo prone sa scratch. So, better to, get a screen protector. And there you go. Press the same button 3 times. Okay. So, actually, I've tried kanina dun sa store yung Pokemon Sword. Okay, so ito meron siya mga icons. I think this one is for the Play Store. I mean, Nintendo Store wherein you can buy or purchase yung mga games na kailangan nyo or gusto nyo laruin. So, insert game card kasi wala yung game card. Okay. And by the way, yung sa design niya, nandito yung sa taas yung ating lagayan ng game card slot. Okay, so saan nakikita nyo? Ito siya. Ayan, game card slot. Okay. So, by the way, meron pa siyang ganito parang stand. No, so your console can stand or you're not using it. Okay. So, that's it for today. So, just wait for my next video. I'm gonna show you or kung gaano katagal yung battery nitong version 2 na Nintendo Switch kasi ang sabi yung version 1 is mas maiksi yung battery life. So I think parang 3 oras mo lang siya magagamit gameplay niya. But this one, the version 2, it takes I think 6 hours. So tignan natin kung talagang 6 hours yung itatagal niya. Depende dun sa game na lalaroin ninyo. Alright, so that's it for now. So just wait for my next video. Alright, so peace out.